Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to live stream your phone screen on YouTube using an app called Streamlabs. First of all, download the Streamlabs app from the App Store or Google Play Store and open it. Once installed, sign in with your YouTube account and make sure it's the same account you want to live stream from. Now, tap on Go Live button, then select Screen Share or Screen Capture depending on your device. After that, give the necessary permissions to Streamlabs to record your screen. Then tap on Next and you can customize your stream layout, add alerts, widgets and overlays if you want. Then simply tap on Go Live and your phone screen will be live on YouTube. Now, some users, especially with new or demo accounts like me, might see a message saying live streaming is not enabled for this account or something similar like this. This happens because YouTube requires account to be verified before mobile live streaming is allowed. Verification usually involves adding a phone number. Also, very new accounts with 0 subscribers may need to wait 24 hours after verification before mobile live streaming is available. So, if you see this kind of message, don't panic, it's not a problem with Streamlabs or your phone. Just make sure your account is verified and active and mobile live streaming will work once the right areas are met.